So now the next thing is I have all these like Nike socks. These ones are kind of, they got washed with a shirt that was a little bit pink and it kind of ran. So I decided to kind of like check out this $1.25 or $1.50 tie-dye kit I picked up from the dollar store yesterday. So I'm going to try and tie-dye these socks and see how that turns out, because I've been seeing a lot of tie-dyed Nikes on Instagram and I thought that looks pretty cool. I love tie-dye shit, so we'll see how we get on with that. So it looks like the kit comes with purple, turquoise, which is dope, and a kind of fuchsia pink color. So by the instructions, it looks like we just kind of mix it with water and then we tie it up. They gave these elastic bands, so I think we just like, I've never done tie-dye before, so this is my first time, but I guess we just tie it up in whatever patterns we want. They come with like super big plastic gloves. Okay, we've got everything set up here. We do have a plastic sheet down here because you want to protect the floor from getting obviously dye on it. So I have the 3 socks, we've got rubber bands, the 3 dyes, we've got water to dampen the socks before we dye, and we've got some water to pour into these bottles, and then to the side here I have lunch bags to put them in when I'm done. They are Star Wars. That was just what I had. So let's get started. I'm going to do 1 pair of socks at a time, and then you'll see at the very end. So you want to like dip them in the water and then just squeeze out the water really good, because you just want the socks damp. Then we're going to go ahead and like bunch up the socks. We're going to do, actually we're going to do them separately. Let me move them out to the side. So we're going to need about 4 rubber bands per sock, or sorry, per set of socks. So I mean, that's good there. We'll leave it like that, and then we'll put 1 rubber band like this, and then 1 rubber band like this. This one's already getting dye. These rubber bands had dye on them already, so it's kind of transferring, which sucks, but I might, if I'm going to do this again, I'm going to just buy separate rubber bands that don't come in the kit, because they already had dye on them. You don't want to get dye in your hands. Okay, so now that that's on snug, we'll go ahead and do the other one. Now we've got our gloves, and we're gonna fill up. So it says just below the neck. So because the rubber bands got blue dye on this, I'm actually gonna go ahead and use that dye instead of this one. So we're gonna unscrew the cap, and we have to pop this one off too. It's really hard to come off, and I don't want the dye to go everywhere. And then it says to fill a bottle with water just below the neck. So this is going to be rather difficult because I've got such a large spout, but we'll see. Oh, just below the neck. And then we want to put the cap back on. Oh shit. And then like that. Okay, so now we've got this back on. Dye kind of like got a little bit around, so we're gonna just go ahead and shake this. We don't want any dye to be left down on the bottom, so we want to give it a good shake. Then we just take the lid off and just do what you want to do. We're gonna saturate this. You want to flip it over and do the other side. I'm really glad I have this sheet down. It's actually a garbage bag, but I'm really glad because like I wouldn't want my floor to get dyed. So yeah, that one should be good. We'll go ahead and do the other one now. And this is perfect because it actually used a whole bottle on one pair of socks. So we're just gonna put that aside, and then we're gonna get our little baggies and put them in the baggies. Sure, I can put 2 of them in there. And then we're gonna seal these up and put them aside for 6 to 8 hours. Okay, 8 hours have passed now, so we've got to rinse these out, but I'm not going to do it in this sink because it'll stain it. So I'm going to use the kitchen sink, and we'll rinse these out. Okay, now you can see we have all our socks rinsed. There's the purple ones, the teal, turquoise ones, pink ones, and these multi-pink / purple ones. So now I have to fill this. We're gonna put a little bit of washing powder, and we have to wash them. I'm not doing them in the washing machine because that's a waste of energy. So I'm gonna hand wash them here with a little bit of soap, cold water. Then we're gonna rinse them out, and then we can put them in the dryer. Here it is the next morning, and these are the finished socks. So after you rinse them, wash them in soap, rinse them again, squeeze them out, put them in the dryer. This is the end result. So I have to say, like, they do look pretty cool. I mean, it was $1.50 for the dye, and then I already had the socks. There is a little bit of transfer when you put them near other colors, so you have to be careful with that, but it's no big deal really. But overall, like, I think they look pretty cool. Nice vibrant colors. I mean, maybe other Nike socks might work better because you can see like there's some like fleck there, but overall I'm pretty happy with the results. And I did pick up some more dyes from the dollar store, just in different colors to try on maybe some other socks or other garments. So yeah, that's it for now. Hope you liked this video. I feel like I'm getting back to my That Girl with a Kick spiel. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new. I'll catch you on the next vid. That's what I used to say like all the time, but for real, yeah, catch you on the next vid.